mid-river break, and he said we can go down a slip and slide. He's turned the raft into a slip and slide. And this experience turned out to be a lot more than just river rafting because we started to cliff jump. Wow! 1, 2, 3. Yumi Rafting is located in Tokyo, about an hour and a half from Tokyo Station, and it's so incredibly fun that you have to add this to your Tokyo bucket list and make sure you say hi to the super nice owners. They are the best.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.